What is the first step to becoming a fashion designer? Understanding fabrics? No. Knowing about fashion trends? Not at all. It is being able to draw your imaginations on paper. And how? Well, that's where fashion illustration comes into picture. If you think you are creative and passionate about fashion, if you admire watching and wearing designer clothing, and if you've ever used a pencil or a brush to draw literally anything in your life, nothing can stop you from mastering this skill and creating stunning and gorgeous fashion design.
Hi, I'm Siddhi Mapxencars, founder and chief mentor at SEFT, which is first of its kind digital fashion learning academy. In my 14 years of experience as a fashion designer, which includes co-founding my fashion label Mapxencars, designing for several Bollywood celebrities, and training thousands of students across various fashion institutes, one skill that made me stand out was my ability to embody my imaginations in the form of stunning fashion illustrations. And now, I want to give that superpower to you. Starting from basic croquis to creating the most complex couture outfits, this particular workshop is designed in a way to help you create stunning outfits in a matter of just 5 days. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the sign up button below and kickstart your journey in fashion now.